Technician License Exam, Subelement T3, Radio Wave Propagation. Question: why do VHF signal strengths sometimes vary greatly when the antenna is moved only a few feet? Answer: multipath propagation cancels or reinforces signals. Question: what is the effect of vegetation on UHF and microwave signals? Answer: absorption. Question: what antenna polarization is normally used for long-distance CW and SSB contacts on the VHF and UHF bands? Answer: horizontal. Question: what happens when antennas at opposite ends of a VHF or UHF line of sight radio link are not using the same polarization? Answer: received signal strength is reduced. Question: when using a directional antenna, how might your station be able to communicate with a distant repeater if buildings or obstructions are blocking the direct line of sight path? Answer: try to find a path that reflects signals to the repeater. Question: what is the meaning of the term picket fencing? Answer: rapid flutter on mobile signals due to multipath propagation. Question: what weather condition might decrease range at microwave frequencies? Answer: precipitation. Question: what is a likely cause of irregular fading of signals propagated by the ionosphere? Answer: random combining of signals arriving via different paths. Question: which of the following results from the fact that signals propagated by the ionosphere are elliptically polarized? Answer: either vertically or horizontally polarized antennas may be used for transmission or reception. Question: what effect does multipath propagation have on data transmissions? Answer: error rates are likely to increase. Question: which region of the atmosphere can refract or bend HF and VHF radio waves? Answer: the ionosphere. Question: what is the effect of fog and rain on signals in the 10-meter and 6-meter bands? Answer: there is little effect. Question: what is the relationship between the electric and magnetic fields of an electromagnetic wave? Answer: they are at right angles. Question: what property of a radio wave defines its polarization? Answer: the orientation of the electric field. Question: what are the two components of a radio wave? Answer: electric and magnetic fields. Question: what is the velocity of a radio wave traveling through free space? Answer: speed of light. Question: what is the relationship between wavelength and frequency? Answer: wavelength gets shorter as frequency increases. Question: what is the formula for converting frequency to approximate wavelength in meters? Answer: wavelength in meters equals 300 divided by frequency in megahertz. Question: in addition to frequency, which of the following is used to identify amateur radio bands? Answer: the approximate wavelength in meters. Question: what frequency range is referred to as VHF? Answer: 30 MHz to 300 MHz. Question: what frequency range is referred to as UHF? Answer: 300 to 3000 MHz. Question: what frequency range is referred to as HF? Answer: 3 to 30 MHz. Question: what is the approximate velocity of a radio wave in free space? Answer: 300 million meters per second. Question: why are simplex UHF signals rarely heard beyond their radio horizon? Answer: UHF signals are usually not propagated by the ionosphere. Question: what is a characteristic of HF communication compared with communications on VHF and higher frequencies? Answer: long-distance ionospheric propagation is far more common on HF. Question: what is a characteristic of VHF signals received via auroral backscatter? Answer: they are distorted and signal strength varies considerably. Question: which of the following types of propagation is most commonly associated with occasional strong signals on the 10, 6, and 2-meter bands from beyond the radio horizon? Answer: sporadic E. Question: which of the following effects may allow radio signals to travel beyond obstructions between the transmitting and receiving stations? Answer: knife-edge diffraction. Question: what type of propagation is responsible for allowing over-the-horizon VHF and UHF communications to ranges of approximately 300 miles on a regular basis? Answer: Tropospheric ducting. Question: what band is best suited for communicating via meteor scatter? Answer: 6 meters. Question: what causes tropospheric ducting? Answer: temperature inversions in the atmosphere. Question: what is generally the best time for long-distance 10-meter band propagation via the F region? Answer: from dawn to shortly after sunset during periods of high sunspot activity. Question: which of the following bands may provide long-distance communications via the ionosphere's F region during the peak of the sunspot cycle? Answer: 6 and 10 meters. Question: why is the radio horizon for VHF and UHF signals more distant than the visual horizon? Answer: the atmosphere refracts radio waves slightly.